everyone, today we are going to discuss the difference between two words, everyday and everyday. Okay, I will not confuse you more. Everyday without any space and everyday with a space. Now you will say that these two words are same, aren't they? No, they are not. They are not same. They have a big difference. So let's understand the difference today. Everyday with no space. One word. It means ordinary. Yes, it means ordinary. Ordinary, usual, something which can be seen or which can be used on day-to-day basis. Daily. Which can be used on daily basis. Which can be used every day. Okay, for example, what should I wear for jogging today? Wear your everyday track pants. Are you getting it? Every day. Something which happens daily, ordinary, nothing exciting about it, usual. Okay, let's take one more example. Oh, this traffic jam is my everyday problem. So this means that this traffic jam is faced by that person daily. Nothing new about it. So every day, one word. Now, one more thing. This everyday is an adjective. So adjective is a word which describes a noun. Everyday track pants. So track pants is a noun and the word which is describing it is everyday. Everyday dinner, everyday problem. Fine. Now this everyday, every space day. Every day means each day. Each day. It is a phrase. It's like an adverb. So for example, she talks to me every day. We go together every day. We meet every day. Now, if you still get confused that which to use where, take a tip and you will never forget it. Whenever you frame a sentence, replace your everyday with each day. If it sounds fine, then every day with space will go without any doubt. For example, why don't we meet each day? Does it sound right? Yes. So why don't we meet every day? I hope now you have understood the difference. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.